How to fix Instagram calls problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, just go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. Maybe you'll find it like that, then just disable it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then go to Play Store. Make sure your Instagram is updated. Just click update here, and that's it. If that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again, and I hope that can fix it. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.